What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got rid of cradle cap or dandruff from my baby's hair. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to share with you a little background. My baby was born and he ended up in the NICU, so he wasn't able to take that first bath right away where he got all the fluid that was stuck in his hair. He didn't get to take that bath. They only wanted to give him the bath after he got out of the NICU. So a lot of the paste or that white sticky substance, it kind of stayed in his hair. I shampooed his hair several times after he was much better, but somehow it did not come out. Like his hair it looked like dandruff. It looks exactly like dandruff. So I ended up looking it up, like dandruff in a baby, and then I saw cradle cap. So these are some of the images that I saw for cradle cap, and it pretty much says that cradle cap is patchy scaling or thick crust on the scalp, greasy skin covered with flaky white or yellow scales. It didn't show many brown babies, but for us it looks like dandruff. So if you look on the sheet, you'll see some of it flaking out of his hair. What I did the night before, I applied the oil to his hair, right, just to soften up the scalp a little bit. And then the day after, I go ahead with this soft eyebrow brush. It's very gentle, very soft. And I go through his scalp and I just brush all of that, I guess you could call it flakes. I just brush all that flakes out. You take your time because, babies, they're impatient. You do it for a few minutes, you stop, you come back. Do it for a few minutes, you stop, you come back. So yeah, that's why I said 3 days, because, they get irritated easily. So you don't want to do it for too long. Just a few minutes until all of it is gone. So after I did this, I go ahead and I shampoo his hair after using whatever baby shampoo that you have. So the oil that I used the night before, of course, aloe vera mixed with moringa. I'm going to leave a link in the description on exactly how to make this, a very detailed video on how to make this, and also explaining how beneficial aloe vera is for the scalp and for treating dandruff, because aloe vera, it contains enzymes that help reduce inflammatory, and it also has antioxidant properties that prevent skin cell damage, which is why it is so effective for curing or getting rid of dandruff. Okay, so I'm just briefly showing you how I make this. This is my dry moringa leaf, just adding that to the oil in the pan, mixing that to make a nice aloe vera moringa oil. And as you can see, this is his hair now. This is how his scalp is looking now. I try not to wash his hair too often, so this is his hair 2 days, no wash. As you can see, it looks nice and clean, free of any dandruff, free of any dryness. And his hair is doing great. That's cradle cap scalp condition, it is gone. So be patient and definitely give this a try, and I hope it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.